Auntie invited my friend Nina, who in her past life was a Victoria's Secret model. She even moved like one in the kitchen, but today we find out that all beautiful women have flaws. Hers is not being able to use the chopsticks properly. She's 2% Chinese, and I can already hear her ancestors weeping as she struggled to use the chopsticks. Mouth-watering chicken, also sometimes called saliva chicken, is a Sichuan classic. There is 2 parts of this recipe, and one involves making your own chili oil. Once you make your own chili oil, there is no going back to store-bought.
More passion, more energy, more work.
Once you have all your aromatics, you pour extremely hot oil for the magic. Let me just tell you, the smell of this makes you want to salivate, hence the name 口水鸡. Usually chopped peanuts are involved in the sauce, but I like peanut butter. If you want to learn Chinese cooking, you must also learn how to eat the Chinese cooking properly, Hamaya. Nina's job is to look good professionally. So if you feel bad that you don't look as good as her, at least know how to use the chopsticks professionally lah. Okay, hi Gamla. Bye bye.